Okay, boys and girls, today we're going to count the shapes and then we're going to create a graph using the shapes that we see in the picture. So I want you to choose a color, any color, and I want you just to put a little line through all of the first shapes. So the first shape is the circle. So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And let's make sure that we have all 7. Now, on the graph, we're going to make a bar graph. And a bar graph helps us be able just to look and see quickly what has the most and the least, okay? So because there are 7 circles, I want you to color in 7 boxes to show 1 box for each circle. So there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, this one's going to go all the way across. And 7. So when I color in on this bar graph all of those boxes, then that shows that I have 7 circles. Okay, now let's choose a different color for our squares. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to count all of the squares and then color in a box for each square. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so how many boxes are we going to color? Yeah, we're going to color 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes. Very, very good. All right. Now we're going to change the color that we have and get a different color. And now we're going to do the hexagon. So just choose any other color. Is it a pentagon? I think it's a pentagon. Okay, I'll have to ask Mrs. Nemitz because she would know for sure. So let's count all of these ones. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, this one's tied with the square. So we're going to color in the same amount of boxes as the square. Very good. Okay. And the last one is a triangle. So one more color, and I wonder if the triangle is going to have more, the same, or less than any of the other ones. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has 7. Did any of our other ones have 7? They did. The circles had 7. So we're going to color all the way. We're going to color 7 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, so we had 2 that were tied for the most and 2 that were tied in the other ones. So very cool. Okay, so this is how we create a bar graph. Very good, boys and girls. On the back, you just have your rocket math. We're adding by 1s, 2s, and 3s. So you can use your number line, you can use your brain, or you can use your dots. And then you're going to want to do what your teacher wants you to do next. Well done, boys and girls.